Are you looking for a hiking trail in central Washington? This is a really cool trail, especially in the spring when there's a whole bunch of flowers. The terrain will change some as we go along, but come join us on our walk of a really cool trail very close to Odessa, Washington. If you look, you can see the line. There's the desert terrain, and then there's this rocky step section. Flowers are in both, and in different areas, there'll be different flowers, and in different seasons, there'll be different flowers. Although it is quite windy today, because it's a spring day, there's things that are blooming that I've walked right by. But if you look, there's some rare flowers that are here in this little loop. Make sure to bring lots of water and don't come when it's too hot, because it can get really hot here in the desert. But you can see the balsam root is blooming over there in the distance. And there they are, some balsam root here in the spring is blooming. Be careful of bees. And insects. They do pollinate it. I believe it's pollinated by insects. And there's all sorts of little routes on this beautiful hiking trail. Pretty sagebrush. There'll be biscuit root blooming here in a spell, which is pretty blue. And some fire desert something or another Mike was talking about. Flame flower, he said, flame flower. And it's just a pretty desert steppe. Bitter roots, flowers are there too. And there's biscuit root that is blooming. Woolly pod milk vetch is blooming. Those are Flox. 9-leaf biscuit root. Oh, I wonder if this, so, okay. We're going downhill. Oh my gosh. There's a patch of flowers. All sorts of different phlox, balsam root, and there's a butterfly. Oh, there it goes. Butterfly. This trail is very well marked. So if you're a city folk and you have anxiety about getting lost, there's these markers all along the trail, and it's well walkified. So it's a really great beginner trail. if you want to hike along. Plus, very close by here is this caldron linn. It's a hole in the rock that the Great Flood made. So you can check out that too. It's really, really close. Odessa Crater Trail.
The landscape of the Scablands was sculpted by a catastrophic flood. Water roared over these dry falls, carving deep craters into the earth.
We had a wonderful day looking at all the beautiful flowers and seeing what potential plants that we need to harvest in the future. It is a wonderful hike. Some people go into Odessa and have lunch, and other people go to Pacific Lake Recreation site and they have lunch there, as there are picnic tables, fire pits, and a pit toilet. Mike remembers fishing this old lake. However, it has totally dried up, so make sure and bring water. It's wonderful to look at the old basalt rock and the formations that has what makes the Scablands unique. I hope you're having a wonderful day and get out and get some sun and exercise. Well, let's carry on till the next video. Thanks for watching.